Let's start. Today we will see how to create and use a library in the Tradingview Pine script. We will need two codes, first, where we will create a library. And second, where we will create an indicator and import our library into that indicator. Let's create the library first. This is the library function with the name, moving average library. An important point to be noted here is that the library name cannot have a space in it. Then we created a function called show moving average. This function takes one integer argument called length. This length will be used to calculate the moving average. The export keyword enables this function to export its code to other indicators. Our library is ready. This library will help us plot an exponential moving average of that length, which we will pass to its function parameter called length. Add this library to the chart. Now click the Publish Script button. Here you can see your library name, and some default descriptions created by the Tradingview itself. Scroll down, and select how you want to publish this library. I have selected the private option. Then select some category for this library like this. And click Publish Library button. Now you will land on a page like this. Scroll down until you find this URL. This is the link to your library. Copy this somewhere. Now let's create an indicator where we will import and use this library. This is an indicator function with name, import library. Here we have used the import keyword to import the library. And then we pasted our library link. To make using this link easier, we have given it some alias names like this. It is like a nickname for our library. Now let's use this library function. Here we have called the show moving average function of our library using the nickname of our library. And we have passed this function call inside a plot function. We have passed different length values like 50, 100, and 200. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, our library has calculated and exported three moving averages of lengths, 50, 100, and 200. So that's it. That's how you can create and use a library in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.